I'm Julie Blanner from the lifestyle website julieblanner.com. Today I am sharing one of our favorite holiday traditions with you, colored salt dough ornaments. These are so whimsical to put on your trees and decorate with for the holidays, and it's a really fun family activity as well. What's really great about these ornaments is that they come together with just a few staple ingredients. All you need is food coloring, salt, flour, and water. Let's get started. Now, as you may see, our kitchen's already a little bit of a mess today, and that's because it is Family Baking Day. It's a really fun tradition that we have where we like to bake cookies, our salt dough ornaments, and decorate our trees. Each girl has one in their bedroom and they love to make their very own ornaments to decorate them with. I hope you and your family enjoy this tradition too. So all we need is, if you have a mixer, that's great. That's the easiest way to bring this together. Or you can also use a mixing bowl and a mixer and just knead it by hand at the end. But what we're going to do is we're going to use a little bit of flour. And now we'll add in the salt and water. We'll blend this together until it kind of all comes together. If it's a little bit dry, we'll add a little additional water. Now you'll see that this came together pretty nice, and we'll knead it for just a moment by hand. So we're going to roughly take this dough after we knead it and break it into 4 equal pieces. So I'll pinch in the middle and twist, make a ball, pinch in the middle and twist, and that will give us fairly average sized pieces. And now we have our 4 dough balls. We're ready to add color. Now this is where things can get a little bit messy, but oh so much fun. We're going to do just a couple of drops of green, a couple of drops of red. I like 1.5 drops of blue and 4 drops of yellow to get those soft pale hues that I achieved in these ornaments that you see here. You can always add more if you're looking for bolder color. Keep in mind some of the color will also bake out with the moisture. So I drop that color into the dough and I fold it over to kind of let it blend in the dough rather than my hands. Now you can use your mixer to do this, or you can do it by hand. It's your preference. If you do it by hands, you might want to be wise and use gloves, unlike me. You can see what very minimal color I got with that 1 drop. Now we're going to go ahead and fold in our 2nd drop. And I put it directly on the dough and let it bleed in, again, to make it a little less messy. Okay, now we're going to roll out our color salt dough. As you can see, they're all really pretty pastel hues. I'm going to do just one at a time, and I'll start by pressing in on it first, making sure I've got a little flour on my rolling pin, and then roll. Now, if you're making these ornaments, I made smaller batches today to make these with you for this video, but when you're making color salt dough ornaments, you really want to double or triple the recipe. And that way you can get a lot of ornaments for each color. Isla, you want to do the little gingerbread boy? Pull that up. Perfect. And now we can just peel the rest of the dough away very gently. And of course you can roll this dough and make more ornaments out of it as well. You can use your straw to gently poke holes into the top of your salto ornaments. That way you can hang them. Don't forget click subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.